Dear students, good morning to one and all. Today we are going to discuss about the properties of genetic material, that is DNA versus RNA. Dear students, in most of the living organisms, the DNA to be act of genetic material, including in all plant organisms, animal organisms, and human being organisms. But RNA is also to be act of genetic material in few viral organisms, that is RNA viruses, including HIV virus, QB bacteriophage, tobacco mosaic virus. Anyhow, the DNA molecule and RNA molecule to be act of genetic material in most of the living organisms and a few of the living organisms, that is both molecules, both nucleic acids are to be act of genetic material. Now what are the properties of molecules? What are the properties to be containing in special type of molecules? Special type of molecules, that is a molecular DNA either RNA that can be act as a genetic material must fulfill the following criteria. In DNA and RNA, both are to be act of genetic material. So in those molecules, must should be containing fulfill some of the following criteria. Especially four criteria are present in every molecule. That is first one, it should be able to generate its replication. So every molecule to be act of genetic material. So in this molecule must should be able to generate its replication. So in this molecule are not depend other organisms of molecule, any molecule. So in this molecule only to be divided into new molecules. By means one parent DNA molecule is divided into two daughter DNA molecules. So this DNA to be followed by one generation to several generations. Next, second criteria, it should chemically and structurally be stable. In this molecules chemically and structurally to be stable. But here DNA molecule chemically less stable but structurally more stable, and RNA chemically more stable and structurally less stable. This is the difference of DNA and RNA. Next, third criteria, it should provide a scope for slow changes, that is for slow mutations, sudden change of phenotypes and genotypes that are required for evolution. Some of the changes are to be appeared phenotypically and genotypically in parental or daughters. Fourth criteria here, it should be able to express itself in the form of molecular characters. It should be able to express itself, especially in unicellular prokaryotic organism, that is bacteria. This bacteria undergoes cell division or binary fusion to be produced daughter DNAs. One parental DNA is reproduced by daughter DNAs. These daughter DNAs similar kind of parental DNA. Exact copies are produced in both daughter DNAs and parental DNAs. So these are the four criteria are in having to every molecule. Next, coming to another important topic are here, that is what are the differences between DNA and RNA. So this is properties of genetic material, DNA versus RNA. But this is what are the differences between DNA and RNA. Dear students, DNA molecule and RNA molecule, both are nucleic acids. In these two nucleic acids are present in their nucleus or cytoplasm So most of the DNA are present in the nucleus and most of the RNA is present in the cytoplasm. Both are to be act of genetic material and cell replication process and protein synthesis process. So dear students, DNA by means deoxyribonucleic acid, RNA by means ribonucleic acid. Both are nucleic acids, but only one kind of difference, that is deoxyribose sugar, and RNA is ribose sugar. So dear students, so we discussed about the one by one difference between DNA and RNA. So first difference between DNA, so it has two strands of nucleotides. So dear students, in this DNA it has two strands of nucleotides. Already previous classes we will detailly discuss about the structure of polynucleotide chain and the salient features of the double helical strand of DNA molecule. So in generally DNA is made up of polymer nucleotides, two polymer nucleotides by means of more than 4 millions. Okay now. So in this DNA it has two strands of nucleotides. And in this RNA it has only one strand of nucleotide. The first difference between DNA and RNA, DNA has two strands of nucleotide, RNA has only one strand of nucleotide by means in every DNA molecule or in every RNA molecule must and should be containing three components. They are namely first component a nitrogen base, okay now, second component a pentose sugar, third component phosphoric acid or phosphate group. Both are similar in DNA and RNA. Next, coming to the second difference between DNA. So most of the DNA is present in the nucleus and little in chloroplast and mitochondria. Dear students, most of the DNA is present in the nucleus of the cell, in plant cell, either animal cell, either human being cell, and also present in little in chloroplast and mitochondria. So dear students, chloroplast and mitochondria, both two are largest cell organelles. These two cell organelles are containing a DNA molecule is always undergoes self-replicate and to be carry out characters express one generation to another generation. So hence both to be act of semi-autonomous cell organelles. So the chloroplast and the mitochondria are also known as semi-autonomous cell organelles. Why? Because both are versions should be containing a DNA molecule. Okay now. The second difference between RNA, most of the RNA is present in the cytoplasm and little in the nucleus. RNA most of the present in the cytoplasm. Why? Because this RNA is always involved carrying protein synthesis. So in this cytoplasm to be containing several cell organelles, especially to be involved ribosome cell organelle. In this ribosome cell organelle to be carry out protein synthesis and little in the nucleus. Next, coming to third difference between DNA and RNA. So first DNA, deoxyribose sugar is present and RNA, ribose sugar is present. DNA by means deoxyribonucleic acid, that is deoxyribose sugar. RNA by means ribonucleic acid, that is ribose sugar. Okay now. So in this DNA C5H10 O5. Dear students, in generally a DNA molecule and a RNA molecule should be containing three components. Okay, now clearly understood. First component a nitrogen base, that is purines and pyrimidines. Second component a pentose sugar, that is deoxyribose sugar, either ribose sugar. Third component phosphoric acid or phosphate group. At the same time, in this deoxyribose sugar and ribose sugar, both are containing carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. In DNA molecule and RNA molecule containing nitrogen, phosphorus, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Okay, now the fourth difference between DNA, that is pyrimids are thymine and cytosine. The fourth difference between RNA, pyrimids are uracil and cytosine. Dear students, purines are similar in both DNA and RNA, that is adenine and guanine. The purines are here adenine and guanine. In these two, purines are present in DNA and RNA, but only difference between pyrimidines. In DNA, pyrimidines are thymine and cytosine. In RNA, pyrimidines are uracil and cytosine. Cytosine pyrimidine is similar in DNA and RNA, only differ thymine and uracil. In DNA, uracil is replaced by thymine. In RNA, thymine is replaced by uracil. Only change in thymine and uracil, similar, all are similar. Purines and cytosine pyrimidine is all are similar, only replaced by thymine and uracil. Difference only thymine and uracil. Next, fifth difference between DNA. DNA is made up of several nucleotides. DNA is made up of several nucleotides, more than 4 millions. More than 4 millions. The fifth difference between RNA, RNA is made up of few nucleotides. So less than. So 75 to 2000. 75 to 2000 or more mRNA. That is fifth difference between RNA. Okay, no? RNA is made up of few nucleotides, approximately 75 to 2000 nucleotides. Next, coming to, okay, no? Sixth difference between DNA. So DNA undergoes self-replication. DNA undergoes self-replication by means. So any organism of DNA is not dependent upon to another organism of DNA or another organism of molecule. So DNA undergoes self-replication, not depend other. One DNA is produced 2 DNAs, 4 DNAs, 8 DNAs, 16 DNAs or 32 DNAs. For example, one parental DNA is produced 2 similar kind of daughter DNAs, and again 2 similar kind of daughter DNAs is produced 4 similar kind of daughter DNAs. Again 4 similar kinds of daughter DNAs is produced 8 similar kinds of daughter DNAs. This is a one genetic process. By which genetic information is passed from one generation to another generation through the DNA molecule. So, sixth difference between RNA does not undergo self-replication except in RNA viruses. DNA mainly undergoes self-replication, but RNA does not undergo self-replication only except in few RNA viruses. So, a few RNA viruses are involved self-replication process. So, in these few RNA viruses such as HIV virus, that is retrovirus, tobacco mosaic virus, and QB bacteriophage. So, next coming to seventh difference between DNA. DNA is the genetic material. Most of the all living organisms, DNA to be act of genetic material. So by means all living organisms, DNA to be act of hereditary process. So by means The genetic information is transferred from one generation to another generation mainly through DNA molecule. So some of the difference between RNA. RNA is not genetic material except human RNA viruses such as samely kind of viruses, QB bacteriophage, HIV virus and tobacco monad virus. The eighth difference between DNA. DNA does not participate directly in protein synthesis. Dear students, DNA is always does not participate directly in protein synthesis. In generally, the protein synthesis are involved two steps. First step transcription, second step translation. Okay now. So transcription occurs in the nucleus, translation occurs in the cytoplasm. So what is meaning of transcription? So by means the genetic information is transferred from DNA to mRNA. DNA to mRNA, that is known as transcription. Next, coming to the passing of the genetic information already fulfilled with the mRNA is converted to proteins. That is known as translation with the help of ribosome, cell organelle and tRNA molecule. So okay now. So in the eighth difference between RNA participates directly in protein synthesis. So RNA participates directly in protein synthesis. Why? Because RNA occurs in the cytoplasm and also to be helping of ribosome cell organelle and also to be helping of one type of RNA, that is tRNA and also messenger RNA. So in this messenger RNA and in this tRNA, both RNAs are helping in the involving of protein synthesis. So the ninth difference between DNA. Metabolically DNA is of one type. That is B type of DNA or Watson-Crick model of double helical structure of DNA. Okay now. In generally, DNA are of four types. They are namely A type of DNA, B type of DNA, C type of DNA, Z type of DNA. Okay now. Four types of DNA are here. But metabolically very active of DNA, B type of DNA or Watson-Crick model of DNA. But what are the differences between A type of DNA, B type of DNA, C type of DNA, Z type of DNA? Dear students, clearly observed. A type of DNA containing 11 base pairs in a single spiral. B type of DNA containing 10 base pairs a single spiral. So C type of DNA containing 9 base pairs a single spiral. So Z type of DNA containing 12 base pairs a single spiral. These are the difference between four types of DNAs. But very most stable and chemically structurally very active of DNA, metabolically B type of DNA. So in this B type of DNA first discovered by Watson and Crick. This type of DNA, so genetically very active, metabolically very active, chemically structurally more active. Okay now. Next, ninth difference between RNA. Metabolically RNA is of three types. So DNA metabolically are of only one type, but generally four types. But RNA metabolically three types. So RNA are of three types. They are namely first RNA, mRNA, second RNA, tRNA, third RNA, rRNA. Okay no? mRNA. So the full form messenger RNA. tRNA, the full form transfer RNA. rRNA, the full form ribosomal RNA. Okay no? In these three types of RNAs are involved mainly protein synthesis. So dear students, the DNA of genetic information is transferred to mRNA, messenger RNA. Then after some time to be transferred, to be changed into the tRNA, that is changing to tRNA or adapter tRNA with the help of ribosomal RNA. Three types of RNAs are mainly participated in their protein synthesis. That is namely mRNA, tRNA, rRNA. So the 10th difference between DNA, that is the basic pairing is adenine thymine and guanine cytosine. Dear students, adenine thymine between up to hydrogen bonds, guanine cytosine between up to 3 hydrogen bonds. So these are the nitrogen bases. In generally, nitrogen bases are of two types in DNA and RNA. So that is purines and pyrimidines. Purines and pyrimidines. What are the purines and what are the pyrimidines? Purines are adenine and guanine. Pyrimidines are thymine and cytosine, especially in DNA. But according to Erwin Chargaff, the first purine is always opposite to first pyrimidine. The second purine is always opposite to second pyrimidine. And between of the some of the chemical bonds, that is Erwin Chargaff rule. So hence adenine is always opposite to thymine, guanine is always opposite to cytosine. So in this adenine is purine, guanine is purine, thymine is pyrimidine, cytosine is pyrimidine. This is the first purine, this is the first pyrimidine. This is the second purine, this is the second pyrimidine. So hence the first purine of adenine is opposite to the first pyrimidine of thymine between the two hydrogen bonds. The second purine of guanine opposite to the second pyrimidine of cytosine between the three hydrogen bonds. And the difference between RNA, the base pairing is adenine, uracil and guanine, cytosine. Adenine, uracil between of two hydrogen bonds, guanine, cytosine between of three hydrogen bonds. Dear students, in DNA, guanine and cytosine, in RNA, guanine and cytosine both are similar, but only change are here. Adenine is similar, only change are here thymine and uracil. So thymine is replaced by uracil, uracil is replaced by thymine. Adenine same, guanine, cytosine same. Covalent bonds or hydrogen bonds is same. Okay now. So in this RNA, the first purine adenine opposite to first pyrimidine uracil between of two hydrogen bonds, and second purine guanine is opposite to second pyrimidine cytosine between of three hydrogen bonds. So dear students, this is about the properties of genetic material, that is DNA versus RNA, and another one differences between DNA and RNA. Okay now, thank you.